Do you want to control who can see when you're active on TikTok? Whether you want more privacy or only want friends to know when you're online, TikTok lets you change your activity status. First, open the TikTok. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the section called Interactions. Under this section, tap on Activity Status. Here you'll see the option called Choose, who can see when you're active. If it's set to public, then anyone may be able to see when you're online or recently active. If you choose Friends, only people you follow who also follow you back will be able to see your activity status. And if you select No One, your active status will be completely hidden from everyone. Simply choose the option that works best for your privacy preferences. Keep in mind, if you turn your activity status off, you also won't be able to see other people's activity status. This setting is useful if you want a little more privacy while browsing TikTok without others knowing when you're online.